Hello everyone and welcome to none other than Cyprus. So yes, hello and welcome to quite a big change of scenery because as the title suggests, we have moved to Cyprus. We're not here permanently, we are here for just 1 year because we are actually studying right here in Nicosia. Ellie, about an apartment tour.
Hello, view, door to the house, sofa, TV.
Yes.
Books,
yes. Right, this is where we had no space in our luggage.
And this is my art corner. It's very messy, but I'm working on things every week, so...
Yes, it's acceptable. So now we're going to get straight on with the travel and exploration, and we are going to head into the Troodos Mountains, which is the big mountain range in Cyprus. So they're around a 40-minute drive from Nicosia. So let's go. So it's currently November at the time of filming this, and worth mentioning it's actually still 28 degrees here, which is insane. But we've been here a couple of months already, which has given us enough time to get settled in. And one thing we noticed when we first arrived in Cyprus was that the public transport system here isn't the greatest. So we have actually got ourselves a trusty steed so that we can travel to all the hidden gems in all corners of Cyprus. Ready to go?
Well, yeah, I can't drive though, so...
Well, you can.
I can, but I don't want to.
Mountains.
Mountains.
There they are.
Yes. They look small on the camera, but they are bigger in real life.
Yeah, as is usually the case. So yes, the tallest of these mountains is Mount Olympus, which sits at almost 2,000 meters above sea level, which is an insane height. Like, it's bigger than anything in the UK, to put it in perspective. And Cyprus is, what, I don't even know, tiny. So here we are, eh?
Yep, we've got here.
Made it to Troodos.
It's a bit chillier than I expected.
It is not at all. So at this point we checked out a nearby map of great things that we could see in the local area and discovered that the gorgeous looking Caledonia waterfalls were located nearby. But the footpath to these waterfalls started from the mountain village of Platres, which was a 10-minute drive further on from Troodos, so we drove on to our starting point and began our hike. So this trail should take us around an hour and a half, although it is pretty much uphill the entire way, which is great, isn't it?
Well, it's flattened down now, so hopefully, fingers crossed, not too bad. We're a bit out of shape.
We are out of shape at the moment. We haven't done much walking for quite a long time. So as I said earlier, this is actually the first time we left Nicosia and saw this mountain range, and when we approached it was just mind-blowing. Well, I hope we're going the right way.
Well, I mean, this is stairs, so...
And we love stairs. Here it is. That was so much quicker than expected.
Yeah, this wasn't an hour and a half like it said on the board.
45 minutes.
Maybe an hour, I'll say.
Well, let's go and have a look at one of Cyprus's tallest waterfalls. So these waterfalls were named Caledonia Waterfalls in 1878 when a Scottish expedition exploring this part of Cyprus discovered them, and they were shocked by the resemblance of this area to their homeland. And so they named them Caledonia, which was the ancient Latin word for Scotland. And to be honest, I do kind of see what they were talking about. Oh, it instantly knows me. Hello.
What are you doing here at the waterfall, eh? Can I touch you? Am I allowed to touch you? Mom!
So after Ellie finally left the cat alone, we walked around to the top of the waterfall to see what view awaited us from the top. And here we planned where we were going to go next. Okay, so now that we've seen this waterfall, we are going to drive a little bit back towards Nicosia.
Yes.
And we saw a really interesting viewpoint front on the side of the road that looked incredible and gave you amazing views over these mountains. So we're going to stop there. So we walked back towards the car, but after noticing a sign in the car park, we decided to change our plans slightly. But yeah, there's so many walks. Ah, yes, that's an interesting waterfall. I wonder how we get to that one.
So it's starting point, Platres.
Free. Oh, so it's down. I mean, we could go and see it, to be honest. It's not far.
No.
So we have to walk back past the car. I mean, we could always drive down to the starting point and do it.
I'm sure there's parking there, no?
Well, should we have a look?
Yeah, we can.
This waterfall looked too good to pass up, so we began an impromptu second hike, and little did we know just how amazing it would be. Here we are now on our second waterfall walk of the day, completely unplanned. We just saw the sign and thought, that looks nice, and to be honest, so far, it looks very nice. We don't know how far away we are though, from the waterfall.
It looks like when we went to Yorkshire and we did a waterfall trail.
It does, yes. I think that's the wrong path. I'm going high. Where have you taken us?
I don't know.
I mean, I hear a I hear a waterfall. I mean, the path sort of goes up here, maybe.
Right, let me see.
It's a nice view. Wow, what a walk, eh?
This waterfall.
Down there.
It's there.
I can hear it just down there. Look at this valley. Crazy, yeah? And this is when we saw just how impressive this waterfall is, and it was even better than we could have imagined. So we got to the waterfall, and that sums up our second waterfall walk. Now we are actually going to go to what I said earlier, the viewpoint.
This one is harder because you have to go up and down.
But if anything, this walk is actually nicer than the walk to the other waterfall, and I think this waterfall is more impressive as well. So now, let's carry on and go to our viewpoint.
And get home.
And then get home.
Lemon biscuit.
Lemon. Looks like apple.
It's green. What do you mean? No, but it has a lemon. That looks like a lemon on the packet. That's the lemon packet.
Very good. Now, enough about that view, but let's look at this view instead. So this is the viewpoint that we found here. This is just one of many. I don't even know if any of these viewpoints have names, but you will find them littered alongside these mountain roads. So feel free to just pull over for 5 minutes and admire the views because they are incredible. So yes, with that view, that summarizes our first video from Cyprus, our first of many, I believe, because there's so much more to see here, and we haven't even got started on the coastlines yet. So yes, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you are excited to see some more from Cyprus, make sure you click that subscribe button. And also, I got some more stuff from the UK coming up very, very soon. So yes, please subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.